Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the Cow Manure Compost versus Mushroom Compost. Watch till the end to know our verdict on which compost is better. So the main difference between the Cow Manure Compost and the Mushroom Compost is the nutrient content. Cow Manure Compost contains essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, NPK, while Mushroom Compost contains high amounts of organic matter like bacteria and fungi. So, Cow Manure Compost is better because it contains a balanced ratio of NPK that provides essential nutrients for optimal development. Microbial Activity. High microbial activity in Mushroom Compost helps break down organic matter into humus, excellent for water retention and improving soil structure. On the other hand, the cow dung compost microorganisms break down organic matter, converting it into simpler compounds that plants can absorb as nutrients. While beneficial for soil structure and nutrient balance, mushroom compost may not provide the same level of nutrient richness that supports robust microbial activity as effectively as cow dung compost. pH level. The cow manure compost has a neutral to slightly alkaline pH. The pH level on the mushroom compost is slightly acidic to neutral, falling under 6.6 average range. The cow manure compost is ideal for most crops due to its alkaline nature. Recycled byproduct. This feature is only available in the mushroom compost, making it an environmentally friendly option. After the mushroom harvest, the substrate used to grow the mushroom is designed to make the compost. On the other hand, cow manure compost is initially considered animal waste, and while reused in crops, it is part of waste management practices. If you want to minimize waste and broaden your garden applications, then mushroom compost is the option. Comparison table. As per the table above, you will notice that the mushroom compost has a finer texture and is easier to incorporate into the soil or use as a top dressing than cow manure compost. There is also a notable difference in the application rate, with cow dung compost needing moderate application to avoid nutrient burn, while the mushroom compost needing higher application rates possible due to lower NPK. Similarities. Cow manure compost and mushroom compost contain animal dung. However, mushroom compost has little, while cow manure compost is mostly dung. Both composts are used in various gardening settings and promote plant growth and health. Verdict. So, which is better? The cow manure compost tends to be higher in NPK, making it particularly beneficial for plants that require these nutrients. Additionally, it is widely available from farms and composting sites. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you would like to see next from us.